watch another amazing video that I have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my videos. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now let's get inspired by another charisma wig. Yay! So this wig not only is an Amazon wig, but it is the newer version of the 13x6 front. Yay! So that means truly a deep parting and more for a free parting, as well as a pre-plucked hairline. So they're pretty dreamy, and this one definitely is dreamy. Let's just talk about it right here. She is this true platinum blonde. Look at her. Yes, she is. She is an ashy neutral blonde, and she is straight. So she is 24 inches, and she does have some longer layers right here. So she does look a little bit more natural, not just one straight length. And then also she does have dark brown roots right there, as you can see. So that's pretty great. And just check out that hairline. Oh my gosh, so great. All right, so let's just flip her around and talk about the construction of the wig. So she does have medium toned lace right here, and she does, of course, again, have that 6 by 13 inch parting right there. Really great. You can do so much with this. It's so fantastic. And then for her comb, she actually has 4 of them. She has 2 right here in the side. She has 1 in the back, or in the middle, with the parting, and then of course she has 1 in the very back with the fasteners. She does have a medium size cap, so if you need a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. But yeah, let's just take another look at it. Yes, girl. And this wig comes with 2 wig caps, so as soon as she arrives, you are ready to go and put her on. But I'll be using a wig cap that I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below for that. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. All right, I put my wigs on front to back. Here she is. Whoa. Hey, platinum girl. All right, I'm gonna come up so you can kind of take a look at the hairline and see how great it is. And it's, like I said, it's pre-plucked, but of course, plucking her more would be essential to your best wig life ever. And of course, with this style wig, since you can really flip her around, definitely be best if you glue her down. But let's just take off the lace really quickly. And here she is. Yay! Yes, loving this true platinum color. I'm gonna stand up so you can see where she lands. So yes, she is 24 inches, so that is at my mid-waist right there. She is heat safe as well, up to around 300 degrees Fahrenheit if you choose to heat modify her. Okay, so let's just kind of mess with flipping her around, seeing if I can give, you know, a really deep parting. Okay, so this is kind of like on this side. Of course, I would definitely spend more time with figuring out a parting. Since this does have such a big lace, you really have the opportunity to make it look perfect. Let's just flip her on this side. Okay, pretty good, pretty good. This is definitely a great wig that if you do want to do some really fun like braids or do something really fun up in the top. And then one thing I will say with straight wigs versus wavy wigs, I think it's just the nature of the beast that straight wigs are a little bit more tangly, and I feel like they static up just a little bit more. That's just my personal opinion on straight or wavy wigs. Of course, you know, I love me a straight wig, but it's just like knowing that it will get a little bit more tangly than a wavy wig, but it's just, like I said, the nature of the beast, and it is what it is, and you just need to do the best thing things you can, and you know, use a wig conditioner and make sure it's not getting too crazy. So again, this wig is from Charisma Wigs, and this is one of their 13x6 parting wigs. So it's so exciting that it has a much bigger lace front for you to do really fun styles with, and of course have more of a free parting and it look a little bit more natural. So let me know if you have any of these 13x6 wigs from Amazon. I would love to know if you're braiding them or how you're parting them. I would love to honestly see what you're doing with them. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me photos and share with me all the great things that you're doing with your wigs. So let's just all empower each other to be the best that we can be every single day, because life is short. Wear a wig and have fun, because it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in this platinum long blonde wig, wear it. Wear it, love it, and own it. And I want to thank you, and we will see you soon. Bye.